Welcome to the world of welding. Here are some basic tools and safety gear that you will need to get started. First, you'll need a wire brush to clean the metal before and after you weld. And remember to always wear eye protection when using a wire brush. A paint marker makes a good visual of where to make the cut. Magnetic holders are a definite good thing to have. They hold your workpiece in position. C-clamps will also come in handy. A locking C-clamp is especially convenient because of its squeeze lock and easy release trigger. To cut your welding wire to the correct length, a pair of MIG welding pliers should be added to your tool list. And finally, once you're finished welding, a chipping hammer is needed to chip away the slag. Now that your workpiece is ready to weld, let's talk about the gear that will keep you safer when welding. Here's what you will need. A welding jacket or shirt helps to protect your arms and upper body from sparks and hot slag. A welding cap or do-rag helps to protect your head and neck from sparks and slag. Safety glasses, even when wearing a helmet, are necessary to protect your eyes from flying particles. Gloves made for welding to help avoid burns, cuts, and scratches. A welding helmet will protect your eyes, face, and neck during welding. And finally, wear pants with no cuffs and leather boots that cover your ankles. You are now ready to weld. For more tips to help you with your welding, view our series of instructional videos. And make sure to check out the complete line of Lincoln Electric welders, consumables, and accessories.